This 2001 Lamborghini Diablo is an absolute masterpiece, of course, but it's also sentimental to us because it's one of the first vehicles we ever worked on when we started iX Exotics. This customer has brought us many cars between then and now, but this one is truly special. Let me show you what we did. Now, because this car is highly collectible and going up in value, our customer chose to protect every inch of it with a custom bulk PPF installation. This car is defined by its long, wedge-shaped panels and complex intakes, so bulk installation is the only way to achieve an invisible finish. This provides seamless coverage without the unsightly patchwork look of a standard kit.
To give this car the ultimate finish, we followed up our paint protection film install with a ceramic coating. This adds an incredible layer of depth to the paint while making the surface so slick that washing it becomes a breeze. It's the best way to keep that just detailed look for years to come.
At iX Exotics, we're not just about protection, we're about artistry, and we couldn't be more pleased with how this custom PPF install came out. If you've got a one-of-a-kind vehicle like this, don't just trust anybody. Bring it to iX Exotics today. Let us protect your investment.